I want to give you a final update before I walk out. Today has been a day, family. Today has been a day. But God has been with me. Thank Him and our ancestors for looking out for me today because it has been real. But I found a brother, actually someone I grew up and went to school with. Shout out to Webb, who helped me come through and do some mud and finishing. And I've been working up on some touch-up paint. I did the trimming myself. I still got to do the finishing of the entertainment. We got to do the walls here after we finish doing everything. Start doing the painting of these walls. Pretty much ready to start working on. We got all of these done. So now I just have to put my doors and stuff on, but I still got a hallway stage. So I still got this hallway stage to do. So my next stage is start taping off, start running it after we finish with all the sheetrocking. And then we're going to close this part down and then work on the bathroom. That'll be our next stage. So the goal is to get the hallway done next, painted, finished, and then we'll fall back and work on the bathroom. Work on the kitchen, and then work on the bathroom last, or while we're working on the kitchen, be working on the bathroom. So got a lot on my plate right now, family. Lost a lot of money, time, frustration, energy, but I'm still doing what I can. I've been up since probably 4:30 this morning, still on it, and it's 11 something right now. So I'm getting to it. I actually just laid the flooring down to just give me an idea of how it's looking. I actually Googled a couple of things, YouTube a couple of things on how to lay it out. Got to get a couple of tools that I need, but I can actually do it myself. I was just actually staggering them, giving them my direction on how to set them up. But yeah, it ain't bad, man. I really dig the concept of what I can do, of what I have done. I know my mom will be proud. So rest in love to Mom. It feels good to finally get this far gone along with the family. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie to you. It's a little emotional, you know what I mean, because Mom always wanted me to come home, and after 15 years old, me leaving, going to prison, I got out and I never came back to stay. So my goal is to get this up and make it my headquarters, even though we might not be here but 6 months a year, or 3 months a year, or 4 months, or 9 months, or a whole year, whatever we planned on doing. But I want to be home, So I know it's going to take. I've run into a lot of challenges with the plumbing, a lot of challenges with contractors, a lot of challenges with just life. You know what I mean? Things happen, things going on in Georgia that's out of my control. So I'm just rolling with the punches right now. So, hey, we still going to get our hog on, family. So I just want to give you an update and let you know that, hey, regardless of what goes on, regardless of what happens, you have to stay focused. You have to have a goal and keep it before you. Keep it before you. Keep it before you. Remember why you're doing it all the time, because things will happen. They will happen that will discourage you along the way. So we have to remember why we're doing everything. So count your blessings, family. Hold on.